राज्यपाल पी.एस. श्रीधरन पिल्लैन शेनवारा फातर्पेच्या शांतादुर्गा फातर्पेकरीण आणि सप्तकोटेश्वर देवळाक भेट दिली। या निमतान तेणे पंचायत वांगड्या कडेनय संवाद साधलो। कॅन्सर जाल्ले आणि किडनीच्या दुयेंतींक आर्थीक मजत दिली।
गोय स्वयंपूर्ण यात्रेचो एक वाटो म्हण शेनवारा गोयचो राज्यपाल पी.एस. श्रीधरन पिल्लैन फातर्फेच्या शांतादुर्गा फातर्फेकारीण आणि सप्तकोटेश्वर देवळाक भेट दिली। या वेळार ताजे बरोबर आदलो आमदार चंद्रकांत बाबू कवळेकार आणि देवस्थान कमिटीच्या वांगडी पंचायत वांगडी हजर असले।
It is our duty to visit you people, whoever may be governor, minister, or representatives of people, MLA, etc., etc. We are all bound to serve the people. That is why when I took charge as the governor of this beautiful state, rich state, cultured people center of Goa, I have decided to go to the people and meet them. Of course, I am trying my level best to interact with you people. And I am studying about the problems also. Of course, our Panchayat presidents and other officials, people's representatives, give me so many representations. Of course, Rajabhavan will look into it and it will be given to the proper forums, ministers, in not only in Goa, but to central government also if necessary. We will send it to them for their consideration, and along with MLA and our former deputy chief minister, we will try our level best, Rajabhavan our level best, to redress the grievances of the people.
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नायक रावत।